Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Take it simple. On today's video I'm going to show you how to change theme on AOL mail. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser, then type in mail.aol.com. Once you do that, go ahead, tap on two letters on the top left corner and request for our desktop website. Once you do that, give your credentials, then sign in into your AOL mail account. Now on the screen you can see options like inbox, unread starts on the left side, while if you swipe left and go to right side of the screen, you're gonna see settings icon. Tap on it. Then the first option there is theme. You can select the theme. From there, once you select one of those, you can see the theme on AOL mail has been changed. And guys, that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.